In case you're not aware, today is the start of the Chinese New Year. It's a time-honored holiday that focuses on family, festivals, and food. One of the many traditions that takes place during this time is to decorate streets and homes with everything from red paper lanterns to cutouts that represent love and happiness. You see, red signifies good fortune. So let me share with you a recipe that very well may bring you prosperity and luck. Here's what we do. After cooking some spaghetti till it's al dente, we drain it like normal. While that sits for a sec, in the same pot, we saute some thinly sliced carrots and minced garlic in a bit of oil. Once tender, we add some soy sauce, hoisin sauce, which we can find in our market's ethnic aisle, a bit of salt and pepper, and some scallions. After this heats up, we'll add the pasta back to the pot, and in minutes, it's ready to serve. And if you want, you could even add some cooked shrimp or chicken to make it an all-in-one meal. When you serve this during the Chinese New Year, or any time of year, are you ever in for a simple yet tasty treat? I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our lucky Chinese noodles, just in time to make this your lucky day. Rumor has it, the longer the noodle, the more prosperous the year. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I'm in search of the longest noodle as a way to say, ooh, it's so good.